I'll put salt.
Good morning. We're in the kitchen cooking some of our products that we had out the garden this morning. Here are some squash with sweet onions being simmered down, fried, and we took out some ham steak.
That's when the hog got killed.
He didn't kill a hog, y'all.
Yeah, joke.
Just a joke. But this is the
All right, that's done.
what we're gonna have for breakfast this morning. We're gonna have some ham and some squash that came out the garden. Looks real yummy.
And 2 eggs.
And we're gonna cook 2 eggs.
Scrambled.
All I want is 1 egg scrambled. He's flipping it over,
I'm taking it out.
letting it brown. Brown some more. I think I like that piece brown. My fat be brown a little bit more. Yeah. Flip that piece over. It should have been cut so it can lay flat.
No, I couldn't cut it in the pan because
No, you had to take it out and
pan.
cut it. No, you won't cut it in the pan.
how it looks.
Just flip that over one more time. Yeah.
I'll just give you the 3 little small pieces, and I'll take them. That way you ain't got to worry about the fat not cooking.
Yeah, I like
I'll
my
read that.
fancy. You gonna cut, how about the
Squish,
squash?
squish squash. I like my squash cooked all the way down, start a little browning. But it's good. I put seasoning in it.
What kind of seasoning did you put in?
I can't tell you.
Did you put any salt, pepper,
Salt,
what?
pepper, a little bit of season oil.
And what kind of oil?
It was olive oil.
A little bit of olive oil. So you're taking this out the pan so that we can have some breakfast this morning with some scrambled eggs. I'm gonna do a little bit of toast and squash, and that'll be our breakfast, a healthy breakfast. Somewhat healthy. We love to eat and we love to taste our food as we cook it. Ooh, that was hot. We'll cut the flame down a little bit. Stir it a little bit. This is what we do. We grew it, and now we're going to eat it.
Yeah, but you know the biggest problem is I don't like when you come in stirring when I'm cooking.
That stove's still on. Yeah. It looks yummy. So we're going to do some scrambled eggs and call it a day. That'll be our breakfast. Thanks for watching. And I didn't get the start of his cooking, but this is the finished part. And we are enjoying just cooking and watching it cook to our taste. And like I said, the squash, he wants it almost no liquid in the bottom. Just cook it, let it brown a little bit. And then the sweet onions really make it taste really delicious. I love sweet onions in my squash. So that's one way of cooking it. Sometimes you could put a little butter in there if you don't want to do olive oil. And salt, pepper. And just let it steam down. Cook it slow. Let your onions marinate, get translucent. And you got yourself a nice little meal. Very filling. Very tasteful. So you see the squash is so you can cut it with the spoon. That means it's done. Doesn't take long to cook squash. It cooks faster than white potatoes. I can tell you that much. So thank you for watching us prepare for our breakfast. And he's getting ready to do some scrambled eggs, and we're gonna enjoy our meal this morning. Very tasty. I think I'm about to cut this out. You want me to cut this out?
Yep.
We'll cut this off because it's done enough. That's when you pick your squash when they're not too big. And he's getting ready to do some eggs so that we can eat. I'll talk to you later, family. See you. Bye-bye.